These dents and divots is in there pretty pronounced. It's in there pretty good, pretty good. Especially like, look at this here. That's in there pretty good. So, like I say, we'll get this going, and then I'll come back to y'all and we'll move on from there. Okay. Like I say, go against the nap. You'll see it start to pull up. Go against the nap though. Be gentle, because you don't want to tear it up and, like I say, and fray it. Because I have noticed if you go real aggressive, real aggressive, you start to fray it up. You don't want to do that. You don't want to injure her. You just want to make her look good again. Like I say, if you can get something back that was pretty much kind of like, quote unquote, damaged, ruined, and you can get it back to 80, 90% of what it is, to me, that's a success. Unless you just got that money like that, then, like they say, you can replace stuff by all means. But for the people that's not just willing to throw away money just for a couple little small imperfections, hey, this is what you do. Waste a little time, but it will come back. And like I say, you see this is a little garden rake, you know, get this. Or like I say, I was using this. Pull that nap back. Say this one in the front came out real good. All right, we back. You can see this little indentation here in the carpet. Was working on it yesterday, but I said, let me come back and check it out. So now I'm looking at it. But this method right here works very well on it. So you just take this iron, mix some water down the crease line. Don't be kind of scared with the water, but I mean, you don't have to drench it. You don't have to soak it. You know what I'm saying? Get your iron nice and hot. Put you a nice damp, wet rag or something, clean. Make sure you don't get nothing that's new where to bleed all on your stuff. Pump that good steam on there. Don't hold it on there too long. You don't want to burn the stuff up. Back, forth like that. All right, now you can move that back. Get this front piece here. Like I say, don't be scared of that steam. That steam help you out, because this method works real good. I didn't never try without pulling the nap up like I did yesterday, but like I say, this definitely works. This definitely works. All right, that should be enough. Then I take this little steamer brush. Work that. Voila. You don't even see it. You got me in this little piece right here. You probably can go over that one more time. Like I say, like I mentioned yesterday, you can't, like I mentioned before, if you can bring something from pretty much a damaged state, as you would call it, to a 80, 90% look, it's a win-win. Bottom line. And if it ain't good enough for you, I don't know. Look at another video or something. But that's what it is. Look at that. This is live action. Now, like here, you got another. Yeah, I put a little water on this one already, but I'll put a little water right now. Where my rag at? Done. See what I'm saying? And I end up working the poles for the bed out. So you can see all that. Gone. Gone.